Bonjour students, so in today's video we are going to do the translation of your third chapter. Your chapter name is Ma Mère une Superwoman. Okay, my mother a superwoman. Fine, so let's start. Louis Philippe, Elena et Céline sont au café des amis. You got four friends, Louis Philippe, Elena and Céline. They are at the Café des Amis. Is a cafe, okay, friends cafe. They are there. Elena parle de ses vacances. Elena is talking about her vacations. Pendant les vacances, during the vacation, je suis retourné chez moi en Italie. I came back to my house in Italy pour passer quelques semaines avec mes parents, to spend some time, some days, some weeks with my parents. Et je découvre que ma mère est une superwoman, and I found that my mother is a superwoman. Okay. Tous les dimanches, every Sunday, j'aide ma mère à faire les courses et les tâches ménagères. I help my mother to do the shoppings and tâches ménagères, household works. Okay. Maman n'aime pas les supermarchés. Mom does not like the supermarket et préfère faire des courses dans les petits magasins. And she prefers to do the shopping in the small shops, comme la boulangerie, like bakery, fromagerie, cheese shop, boucherie, butcher shop, like this. D'après elle, according to her, ici on trouve the meilleur produit. Here we find the best products. Okay. Heureusement, happily, ces magasins ne sont pas très loin de chez nous. These shops are not very far from our house. Okay, come on the next page. Habituellement, dans chaque magasin, habitually, normally in each shop, ma mère rencontre une amie. My mother meets to her friend, to one of her friend. Sinon, otherwise, elle a une longue conversation avec la vendeuse qui accepte très gentiment de bavarder avec elle. Okay, so this whole sentence is saying, otherwise, she has a long conversation with the saleswoman, who very kindly accepts to talk with her. Okay. Puis ma mère choisit lentement tous les produits. Then slowly she chooses all the products which she wants. Et on passe de magasin à l'autre. Et on passe, and we move towards the other shops, like from one to another. Okay. Finalement, on rentre à la maison. Finally, we return to our house. Mais 10 minutes plus tard, but after 10 minutes, Mom discovers qu'elle a oublié quelque chose, that she forgot something, et qu'on a vraiment besoin de ça, and that we really need of it. We have the need of it. Okay, really need. On est alors obligé de retourner en centre-ville. Then we are obliged, means we are compelled to return to the center of the city, means we have to go by anyhow because we want that thing. Maman est un superwoman. Mom is a superwoman. Je ne sais pas d'où elle tire l'énergie de faire. I don't know from where she brings the energy to do tant de choses, so much of things, like elle fait des courses, she does shopping, de la vaisselle, you can understand, like dishwashing, how she dishwash, de la cuisine, how does she may cook, de la lessive, how she wash clothes, elle passe l'aspirateur, vacuum cleaner, how she use it. En plus, elle travaille. Moreover, she works a lot. Malgré tous ses travaux, instead of all these works, elle est toujours souriante et patiente. She is always happy and smiling and patient. Okay, so Louis is saying, c'est vrai Elena, it's true Elena, les mères sont des femmes exceptionnelles. Mothers are the exceptional women. Okay, got it? You learn the word meanings by yourself. We'll see a bit the question answers which is given there. Like first is true false is given, vrai ou faux. Elena est en Italie pendant les vacances. She is in Italy during the vacation. Elle reste dans un hôtel. She stays in a hotel. The mother of Elena liked to do shopping in the supermarket. The mother of Elena talk a lot with the sales girl. Mom works in a shop. So true false you have to choose. I will not tell. And complétez avec un mot du texte. Complete here I'll help you. Il y a beaucoup de. There are a lot of what? Sundays, shops or bakery in city. Obviously shops. Mes élèves sont. My children are. Obligé, obliged. Souriant means smiling, happy. Or meilleur, best. Ils m'écoutent toujours. They always listen me. So what? They are meilleur. They are best. Ma mère est très patient, patient, superwoman, superwoman, or obligé. Here with this, ma mère est très patient, very patient. Nous allons à la, we are going to the boulangerie, fromagerie, or boucherie pour acheter de la viande, for buying meat products. Where do we go? We go to the boucherie, butcher shop. Now question answers given. I'll explain you the questions. Que fait Elena tous les dimanches? What does Elena do all Sundays? Now if you have gone through with the translation, you will definitely know the answers. Okay. Pourquoi Elena et sa mère sont-elles obligées de retourner en centre-ville? Why they have to return again, obliged to return again to the center of the city? Because they forgot something. Qui retrouve la mère d'Elena dans chaque magasin? Who finds Elena's mother in each shop? Friend, normally. Pourquoi Elena pense-t-elle que sa mère est un superwoman? Why does she think, why Elena think that her mother is a superwoman? Because she does a lot of works, definitely, which is not possible for a simple man. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope everything you understood and you will complete everything. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Keep learning French and be happy.